Alrighty guys, we got a Texas Star Skeleton 150. Cool little boxes. They shouldn't quit making them. That's cheap, handy, nice. I just added wire to it because I like keeping the original Texas Star fuse every time I can. Wire upgrade. Straight through SWR. Worldwide 0. Turn him on. Input SWR. Worldwide, go down, worldwide. 5-watt reflex. Worldwide. 500-watt slug. Average power. Worldwide. A little over 100 average. PP. Worldwide. 300 feet. Oh, this was good little boxes. 1,000-watt slug. PP. Worldwide. 300 feet. Alright folks, just want to do a little video show you it's working. Short and sweet. Good little amps in the time. Hope you enjoyed the video folks. Your friend 10018 Beavis. Catch you later.